Good morning, kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home, taking proper care of yourself. Students, can you tell me which festival is coming? Which festival is coming, kids? Are you all knowing which festival is coming? Diwali festival is coming. I hope you all are cleaning your houses. Your mother is busy in cleaning the house and making sweet. Is it so? क्या ये हो रहा है आपके घर में? आपकी मम्मी स्वीट्स बनाने की प्रिपरेशन कर रही है, हाउस की क्लीनिंग चल रही है. Is it so? Very nice. Okay, students, now today activity of Diwali speaking activity. We are going to speak on the topic Diwali and we are going to make a craft related to it. So students, now what you have to do, you have to see this 5 lines on Diwali and you have to learn these sentences and you have to make a video of it. Students, I had given 5 sentences only, and if you want you can make more than that and you can speak on it. Okay, so first you have to give the introduction of yourself, your name, your school name, your class name, subject name and the name of the topic, that is Diwali. Okay, first I am going to read this and then you have to note it down these. Okay, these sentences in your English notebook. So first I am going to read this. Diwali is a famous festival of India. This is a festival of lights. This festival comes on the month of October or November. On this festival, people decorate their houses with colorful lamps, rangoli, flowers, etc. Diwali marks the victory of light over darkness. Now students, I am going to explain these sentences and you have to write that sentences in your notebook. Okay? Now on your notebook, write first Diwali, D-I-W-A-L-I, Diwali. Diwali, the first sentence, D-I-W-A-L-I, Diwali is, I-S is, a famous, F-A-M-O-U-S, famous, festival, F-E-S-T-I-V-A-L, festival, of, O-F, of, India, I-N-D-I-A, India. दिवाली इज़ अ फेमस फेस्टिवल ऑफ इंडिया. दिवाली जो फेस्टिवल है वो हमारे इंडिया का, हमारे इंडिया कंट्री का बहुत ही फेमस मीन्स प्रसिद्ध फेस्टिवल है, त्योहार है. Now in the second line, write the sentence. This, T-H-I-S, this is, I-S is, a festival, F-E-S-T-I-V-A-L, festival of, O-F, of, lights, L-I-G-H-T-S, lights, then put a full stop. This is a festival of lights. So what does it mean? ये उजाले का, लाइट का, रोशनी का त्यौहार है. Now the third sentence, this, T-H-I-S, this festival, F-E-S-T-I-V-A-L, festival, comes, C-O-M-E-S, comes, on, O-N, on, the, T-H-E, the, month, M-O-N-T-H, month, of, O-F, of, October, O-C-T-O-B-E-R, October, or, O-R, or, November, N-O-V-E-M-B-E-R, November, then put a full stop. This festival comes on the month of October or November. ये फेस्टिवल किस मंथ में आता है? अक्टूबर या नवंबर में. On, O-N, on, this, T-H-I-S, this, festival, F-E-S-T-I-V-A-L, festival, people, P-E-O-P-L-E, people, decorates, D-E-C-O-R-A-T-E-S, decorates, their, THEIR, there. Houses, 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 with, WITH, with. Colorful, COLOUR, colorful. Lamps, LAMPS, lamps. Rangoli, RANGOLI, rangoli. Flowers, 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 etc. On this festival, people decorates their houses with colorful lamps, rangoli, flowers, etc. ये फेस्टिवल में people decorate means सजाते हैं अपने घर. कलरफुल मतलब बहुत सारे कलर्स के लैम्प से, रंगोली से. मम्मी लोग घर के बाहर रंगोली बनाती हैं. फ्लावर्स से हम फ्लावर का डेकोरेशन करते हैं और बहुत सारी चीज़ों का करते हैं. नाउ द फिफ्थ पॉइंट, दिवाली, DIWALI, दिवाली. Marks, MARKS, marks. The, THE, victory, VICTORY, victory. Off, OF, light, LIGHT, light. Over, OVER, over. Darkness, DARKNESS, darkness. दिवाली marks the victory of light over darkness. दिवाली क्यों सेलिब्रेट करते हैं? विक्ट्री के तौर पे जो अंधेरे को रोशनी में बदलती है. ओके, वाई? बिकॉज इस फेस्टिवल में श्री राम जी अपने घर अयोध्या सीता जी और लक्ष्मण जी के साथ वापस लौटे थे अयोध्या अपने घर. किसका वध करके? रावण का वध करके. और 14 ईयर्स के बाद वो लौटे थे. तो इस खुशी में अयोध्या के जितने भी लोग थे सब ने अपने घर को दियों से सजाए थे. तो बहुत रोशनी हो गई थी अयोध्या में. ओके किड्स, so now what you have to do, you have to learn these 5 sentences and you have to add your 2 and 3 more sentences of your own. Like in this festival we used to do puja of which festival? Worship of. Now by this you have to add 2-3 more sentences of your own. Like in this festival we worship goddess Lakshmi and god Ganesha. Okay, in this festival mother makes sweets. We used to distribute sweets to our neighbors, to our relatives. Okay, now student, how many work you have to do? You have to make a video of it, of these sentences, and you have to add 2-3 more sentences. Now I am going to make a craft that you have to make. Okay, and one more assignment I am giving to all of you. And what you have to do? You have to make a 5 minutes or less than 5 minutes a documentary movie. Okay, you have to make a documentary movie of 5 minutes or less than 5 minutes. And in that movie what you have to do? You have to capture the moments. Which moments? In which you and your family cleaning the house for Diwali and doing the whitewash, and your mother is making sweets along with your family members, and what all preparation we used to do for Diwali. And you can record the moment of doing the puja also for Diwali. Okay, so you have to make a documentary on the topic Diwali. Okay kids, in that you have to make a cover page, your school name and your name of your school, subject and the topic. Okay kids, so you have to make a documentary movie. Okay kids, I hope you all can make a very good documentary movie. Now we are going to make the craft also related to this. We are going to make one Latin lamp. Now for this what we have to do? We have to take square shaped pieces of red color of 8 centimeter from both the sides. Okay, now what we have to do? We need how many pieces? We need 16 pieces. Okay, 8 of red color and 8 of orange color. Okay, total 16 pieces, and one black color sheet also of A4 size, and pearl lace. Okay, now I am going to start the video. Now what we have to do? We have to take a square shaped sheet and we are going to stick the Fevicol on the one side, and now we are going to stick the opposite sides like this. Like this, how many we have to make? 8 of red color and 8 of orange color. Total it will be 16. Okay. Now what we have to do? We are going to take one black sheet or strip. Okay. You can adjust the size. And now what we are going to do? We are going to put the Fevicol on this on black sheet. So put the Fevicol nicely. Now we are going to stick one red piece, one orange, and stick it closely. Okay. Then again red, orange, red, orange, like this. We have to stick all these pieces like this. Okay. Now what we have to do? See, it can get easily on the market. You can stick the pearl lace over here, stone lace or pearl lace over here from both the sides, at the top also and at the end also. Now we have to cut the piece of the stone lace, and now I am going to stick this on the between part of the cone like this. Like this we can stick in all the cones. Okay, like this. Now I am going to stick the, now I had taken orange sheet. Now what I am going to do? I am going to cut the strips on it. Okay, like this. Broad strips I am going to cut from the scissor. So if you're not able to cut this, you can take the help of your mother. Like this we have to cut, and you want, so you can draw the line at the top for your help. Okay, so you have to cut the strips like this. Fold the paper equally and cut the strips like this. Now we are going to stick this on the black sheet. Okay, so now I am going to put the Fevicol on the top side of it. Now we are going to stick that black sheet which we had already decorated like this. Now we are going to stick this. Now leave it for 5 minutes. Okay, press it properly. Now we are going to stick these pages and make a circle round shape. Okay, isn't it? It is looking very beautiful and colorful. You can hang this on your door also, or at your mandir also, temple also. Now we can make a loop from the ribbon or from the chart paper also. If you are having chart paper, you can stick it by this also. And if you are having ribbon, so ribbon can hold it for a longer time. So you can use red color or any color ribbon for sticking this, for making a loop for it. Okay, so like this I am going to stick this. If you are having ribbon, that is very good. Use ribbon for this. And if ribbon is not able to stick it, so you can use the stapler also. Now we had prepared this. Now you can stick this on your door also or window also. Okay kids, so now what you have to do? You have to learn the 5 lines and you have to add extra 2 lines on that. Okay, and you have to make a video of it. You have to make this art and craft activity also. And one more thing which I have given to you, that you have to make a documentary movie of 5 minutes or less than 5 minutes. And in that movie, what you have to capture? You have to capture the moments in which you and your family cleaning the house for Diwali, whitewashing the house or cleaning the windows and doing the decoration work, making sweets and distributing sweets, worship God. Okay, So you have to make a documentary movie on the festival Diwali. Okay, and you have to send it to me on my WhatsApp number as soon as you can make, so you can send it to me. Okay kids, I hope you all are taking good care of yourself, and I am wishing you and your family a very happy and prosperous Diwali. I hope you all are taking good care of yourself. Goodbye students, take care.